Okay, this is my bike check. ODI long neck grips, little hole. ODI bar ends. Bars, stock. Stock stem. Premium sticker. Pegs. Back there too, can't see them. Stock forks. Gonna get the Stolen Vortex. And then I got the Quando hub with, I have no idea what kind of rims. Regular spokes. Logo pedals. This is a crank that came off a Kink Gap, but I'm gonna get the Eastern 720s. Salt sprocket. Shadow half-link chain. There's that other peg. ROC. Gonna get a pivotal sooner or later. Fit FAF tire. Forgot to tell you what the front is. It's a Kenda Contact. Salt AM cassette hub. DK spokes. And Alienation plain black rim. And the front one is gonna be Alienation Skylark with the Primo N4FL with Primo spokes. And that's my bike.